this is what we have, and we are going to use the what if analysis to be able to do a variety of things. What if this happens? What if you change the selling price? What if you change the variable cost? What if you do this? That is what we are going to do with the what if analysis, and in the process we are going also to see where the data tables will be applied in Excel. Now to access the what if analysis, for you to be able to access the what if analysis, you go to the data menu. Of course, there are so many menus here. The data menu, we have home, insert, page layout, formulas, then the data menu. Click on data. Once you click on data menu, there is a group for data tools. No, there's a group for forecasts. So under the group of forecast here, there are several groups like queries and connections, sort and filter, data tools. There is forecast. Now under the forecast group, there is what if analysis. We are going to use the what if analysis here. Click on what if analysis. Before we get there, what is what if analysis? You try out various values for the formulas in your sheet using scenario manager, goal seek, and data tables. So you can see scenario manager, goal seek, and data tables. Scenario manager, goal seek, and data tables. So you try out various values for the formulas in your sheet using scenario manager, goal seek, and data tables. What if you change any of these? How will that impact profit? What if you change the selling price? What if you change the variable cost? What if you change the units sold? How will that impact the net profit? Let us start with the first one here, which is scenario manager. Now when using scenario manager, you can be able to create different groups of values or scenarios and switch between them. Of course, that is what the scenario manager will be doing. You'll be changing various variables here and see how that will impact profit. So we are going to click on scenario manager, and currently there is no scenario that has been added here. So you can see here scenarios, and no scenario is defined. You can choose to add. There is changing cells. There is also comment if you want to comment there. So I want to add a new scenario. You click on the scenario or you can cancel here, and you can see once you click on what if and you go to scenario manager, it gives you this. You can be able to add a new scenario. So click on add, and when you click on add, there is scenario name. Under scenario name, I want to say what if price is, what if that is selling price, what if selling price is 150. What if selling price is 150? What if selling price is 150? Now changing cells, you can see changing cells here. So the cell that I want to change is selling price. So what if selling price is 150? What if selling price is 150? So you click on that, and you can see the moment you click on 100 here, it takes the cell that is changing. That is the changing cell here. To can see some absolute cell referencing here, $B, $2. This is cell B2, which will be changing. Comment, if you want a comment, of course you can do a comment. That is if you want. If you don't want, you can leave it like that. So a comment can be what if, that is changing price, changing selling price. Remember the comment is optional, to shillings 100, changing price to 100. Then click on OK and enter values for each of the changing cells. Enter values for each of the changing cells. We said we want to change this to 150. I believe it was 150. 150 like that. You can see OK. What if price selling or changing? Let me edit something here is wrong. What if selling price? It should be selling price. What if selling price is 150? What if selling price is 150? That is 150. Then you click on OK, and you can see 150. Then you click on OK here. You can add another one if you want. So I want to add scenario name. What if price is changed to 200? What if price is changed to 200? Just price. Let me use another one. What if that is not price now? What if units sold? What if units sold change to 90,000? What if units sold change to 90,000? The changing cell is now this units sold. So what if the units sold change to that is 90,000? So I'll copy and I'll put the comment here. Then I'll click on OK. So we want 90,000. So it means you are changing that to 90,000. 90,000. I hope that is 90,000. No, that is 900,000. You can add another one. What if another scenario there, a scenario name. What if a selling price? What if selling price changes to 90? What if selling price changes to 90? So which is the changing cell? Selling price. What if it changes to 90? So I will copy the same thing here as my comment. So now the selling price to 90, we want it to move to 90. Then okay. Now we have those three particular scenarios, and we can be able to show what is happening, or we can be able to show the summary, or you can summarize, you can show, or you can do a lot of things. Now the first one, what if selling price is 150? What if selling price is 150? Let's see, just show. If selling price is 150, profit increases to 7,500,000. You can see it here. Now, what if selling price is 150, profit will increase to 7,500,000. Now look at the units sold. What if the unit sold changes to 90,000? If the unit sold changes to 90,000, what will happen to profit? Look at your profit. I'll click on show. So show. If that is to happen, then it means that the profit will now be at 6,550,000. That is if profit, or if the units to be sold are to change to 90,000. You can see the profit has moved. What if selling price changes to 90? You can see selling price changes to 90 here. So I'll click on it, then I'll select show. So what if the selling price changes to 90? So you can show here, and you can see the profit moves down now to 1,150,000. Now those are what you do in what if analysis using the scenario manager. That means you are just changing certain variables, and you see how will that make your profit to adjust, how will that affect the profit if things such as selling price are changed, variable cost are changed, or the unit sold is also changed.